In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on extended hours in Webull. If you've ever wanted to place trades before the market opens or after it closes, this will help you do it confidently and correctly. Extended hours include pre-market and after-hours sessions, where prices can move quickly on earnings releases, news, or economic data. Keep in mind, though, these sessions often have lighter volume and wider spreads, so precision matters. Start by selecting the stock you want to trade. You can do this from your watch list, a recent search, or the stock's detail page, whatever gets you to the order ticket for that specific symbol. Once you're looking at the stock, open the trade widget. This is the order panel where you set your quantity, price, and order type. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this panel so you're clear on what you're changing and why. Inside the trade widget, look for the Trading Hours dropdown. It typically appears near the order settings and may default to regular trading hours. This dropdown is where you control whether your order is eligible to execute outside the standard session. If you don't see it immediately, scan the order panel fields. It's part of the same ticket where you select order type and price. Click the Trading Hours dropdown and choose Include Extended Hours. Turning this on makes your order eligible to fill during pre-market and after-hours sessions when the market is open for extended trading. It doesn't force an execution. It simply expands the window of time your order can be matched if the price conditions are met. Before you submit, make sure you're using a limit order. This is essential during extended hours because liquidity is thinner and prices can move fast. A limit order lets you set the maximum you're willing to pay to buy or the minimum you're willing to accept to sell, helping protect you from unexpected fills at unfavorable prices. Take a second to review the current bid and ask, and set a limit that reflects what you're actually comfortable with. If the spread is wide, avoid chasing the price. Adjust thoughtfully and size your order with care. That's it. You selected your stock, opened the trade widget, set the trading hours to include extended hours, and confirmed you're placing a limit order. With these settings, your order is positioned for extended sessions while keeping control over your price. Trade carefully, stay aware of volume and spreads, and you'll be set up to take advantage of opportunities outside the regular market day.